Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Lower pH enzyme questions look tricky, but this one collapses fast if you track what extra hydrogen ions actually do to protein structure. Lower pH means a higher concentration of H+ ions. So right away, we are not missing protons at all. Watch this. The environment now has extra hydrogen ions available. Those extra H+ ions can interfere with hydrogen bonding and other weak attractions that help enzymes keep their folded, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary shapes. That is the key structure idea. Peptide bonds define primary structure and are much stronger, so the best explanation is disrupted hydrogen bonds causing denaturation-like shape changes, which matches option D. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust the given pH clue, then check each structural level carefully.